Georgia sits at the crossroads of Western Asia and Eastern Europe. Crooked Compass is always looking for regions offering untouched cultures, time-frozen lifestyles and unsurpassed beauty. Georgia ticks all the boxes. Our Discover Georgia tour is an enchanting journey through untouched lands, sharing with you the quieter, lesser visited side of Eurasia. It's perfect for those who love to explore the outdoors on foot. Trekking through the fabled lands of Georgia will leave you with elated senses. Raw beauty so pristine, entwined with age-old traditions and lifestyles still practiced, will leave you humbled beyond words.
Svan.